Check out this GMC 2019 Canyon SLE1. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: Preferred Equipment Group 2LE, SLE Convenience Package, Trailering Package, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, HD radio, Premium Audio System, GMC Infotainment System and Radio Data System. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.